win one we guy. Jawang, we got all got Jawida.
This is an exercise that has been on for a very long time, that the Murle will come to Dinka land, or they go to Nuer land, or they go to the Anuak, or they go to Taposa land to take children and come and adopt them. They adopt them as their children. It is not an enslavement, except that they take them by force.
سيبوا مشاكل بيناتكم هاي من زمان في جنوبنا في ناس كتير بموت سنبلة الليل لما في أي زول بموت سنبلة في السودان سلام يجمل قلوبنا ما دايرين تفرقة ذنبنا واحد وربنا واحد ما في قبلية بيناتنا سيبوا مشاكل بيناتكم هاي من زمان في جنوبنا في ناس كتير بموت سنبلة الليل لما في أي زول بموت سنبلة في السودان.
From that time up to now, we don't have any rebellion in the area.
But there was mobilization.
Yeah, that one is not rebellion. It was just mobilization.
There was mobilization, and you went there to stop the youth.
Actually, we went there to quench down the fire as the ringleaders of the community. There's no any rebellion there in the area. Seen this whole.
What do you say about that video where you are wearing the uniform? If your intention was to go and quell whatever the situation that was there.
Well, those videos they are just using those old videos that were existing there in March, early March. You know, photos which I was on with the uniform. Even there were photos we took here in Bilfam when we were called. All the generals we were called to show up some activities here in Bilfam. So they took all those photos and attach it there to those videos. Those videos is not the recent one, but those were the whole existing videos that they just fixed it together so that their interest is matched together.
This happened in March, so it's not that old. And do you say they are saying what is the justification that a former governor would now put on a uniform? Did it mean that you were joining your people? What was the intention?
Well, our intention is, as a general, sometimes if we go and talk about, military issues, we have to appear on our uniform so that it suits with the information. If we do, political and other things, that's where we'll appear with the normal, wear. So appear in the military uniform does not mean anything threatening to the public. It was our normal military, way of doing things. So that one is just normal appearance. It doesn't threaten anybody, and we are not doing anything that harm our publics.
Let me clear something here. When Yawia went first time in March, there was attack by the Launer, and they captured Lakwangale. So Yawia went from here with the Kong. They were coming to capture the Bibor. So they were going to, at least to protect the city, the capital city of Buma State. That was the mission because there was no government there. And then the attack came and they captured Lakwangale and they were moving close even to the capital city of Buma State. That was the reason he was sent there. And that's the reason he was wearing the uniform. So he was wearing this uniform to tell the youth, look, this is a war. If they come and attack the capital of Buma State, we must defend it. So that's the reason. My interest is this. I like to protect the small tribe, whether they are even Kashipo and Jia. This is my interest, to protect them. I feel that the role of majority is to protect the minority. So it is our job. It is your job.
Lam yajmal bulumna ma dairin tabraga dambanna wahid warabuna wahid ma fi qabliya